Hey guys, back to my channel. So today our topic is Sister Nivedita. She was born as Margaret Elizabeth Noble. She was more popularly known as Sister Nivedita. She was an English social worker who was one amongst the many disciples of Swami Vivekananda. She came across Swami Vivekananda in the year 1895 in London. It was the Swami who called her by the name Nivedita. The word Nivedita is used to refer to someone who is highly dedicated to the Almighty God. Her early life. She came into the world on October 28, 1867. She was born in Ireland as the daughter of Mary Isabel and Samuel Richmond Noble. Her father always taught her that service to mankind is the true service to God. His words made an impression on Nivedita's mind. She was very fond of music and art. After completing her education, she took up the job of a teacher and worked there for a long period of 10 years, from 1884 to 1894. She had the caliber to impact education and inspire others. From the very beginning, she was very genius child who was always full of energy and enthusiasm. At an early age of 8, she had the realization that religion is not about having believed in the doctrines, but it is about searching for the divine light that will bring enlightenment. To know the complete light history of Nivedita, Sister Nivedita, meeting Swami Vivekananda, she began taking interest in the Buddhism principles. It is during this time that made Swami Vivekananda a great Hindu monk. Swami Vivekananda stressed on the fact that it is the ignorance, selfishness, and greed that pave way for our sufferings. His principle and teaching had an imprint on her heart, and this brought about a major change in the way she lived her life. He was the one who inspired her to do something for the welfare of the women of India. Seeing the fire and passion in her to transport the society, Swami could force her futuristic role as Mother India. Nivedita began practicing meditation. There was basically two things in her mind that she silently followed. One began the searching of enlightenment by realizing the internal truth, and the other was the refill of the world. She left all the things that she could have boasted of and dedicated to very simplistic life. Her works. In the year 1898, Sister Nivedita established a school for girls who were deprived of even basic education. She was instruction in various altruistic activities. Her aim was to bring about an improvement in the lives of Indian women belonging to various social classes and castes. She tried to bridge the gap and put in an end to the caste distinction. She had good relatives with many intellectuals of the Bengali community, such as Rabindranath Tagore, the famous novel writer. During the later years of her life, she engaged in activities that promote and brought forth the cause of India's independence. Her writings expressed her pan-India. Okay, thank you so much guys. Hope you like this video. And if you are new subscribers, then please guys comment so And if you have Instagram or Twitter ID, then what are you waiting for, guys? Just follow me. Thank you so much. Stay safe.